Are you a US trader feeling restricted by your current crypto exchange, or maybe just curious about what else is out there besides Gemini? When I first started seriously trading in the US market, I immediately noticed that the regulatory landscape limits our choices compared to the rest of the world. Gemini has always been a solid, security-first option, but let's be honest, it can be light on asset selection, and those fees on the basic platform can really eat into your profits. I needed more. So, I spent a lot of time testing the top competitors that are fully regulated and available to US traders. Here's a breakdown of the 3 best Gemini alternatives, based on my hands-on experience, and who each one is best suited for. First place, Kraken, best for security and advanced traders. If security and a proper trading interface are your main priorities, Kraken is where you should look. I've used Kraken for years, and what stands out is their impeccable security record. They've never been successfully hacked. That alone provides immense peace of mind. Beyond that, the platform is structured perfectly for active traders. For the pro trader, you get Kraken Pro, which is a dedicated, advanced trading platform with low fees, starting as low as $0.00% maker/$0.10% taker, deep liquidity, and all the tools you'd expect: margin, futures, and some jurisdictions, and a highly customizable interface. The fee structure is transparent and volume tiered, which rewards you for trading more. Asset selection: they offer a much wider selection of coins than Gemini. While not every obscure altcoin is there, the range is excellent for serious, diversified crypto investment. My takeaway: if you're an experienced trader graduating from basic market orders and are looking to cut down on fees while maintaining high-grade security, Kraken is your best bet. Second place, Coinbase, best for beginners and ease of use. If you're relatively new to crypto or prioritize a seamless, high-trust experience above all else, Coinbase is the gold standard in the US. It's often the first exchange people use, myself included, and for good reason. It's a publicly traded company, which means a high level of regulatory compliance and transparency. Ease of onboarding: the initial Coinbase app is incredibly user-friendly. It's the simplest way to convert fiat currency into crypto. It's an excellent, low-stress on-ramp. Advanced trading: once you get comfortable, you can easily transition to Coinbase Advanced Trade. This platform gives you the professional charts and lower, maker-taker fees, which are much more competitive than the basic Coinbase platform, though generally slightly higher than Kraken. Security and trust: as the largest US-based, regulated exchange, your USD deposits are often FDIC insured up to $250,000, and they boast massive amounts of asset insurance. This is a massive selling point for security-conscious traders. My takeaway: for US traders prioritizing trust, compliance, and a simple interface, Coinbase is the foundational alternative. Just make sure to use Advanced Trade to avoid those high-standard fees. Third place, Crypto.com, best for ecosystem and rewards. My third alternative is Crypto.com, specifically for the US trader who is looking for an exchange with a comprehensive crypto ecosystem. Where Coinbase is focused on just the exchange, Crypto.com is building a wider financial world around crypto. The ecosystem: they offer their primary exchange, available in most US states, a mobile trading app, an integrated DeFi wallet, and, most famously, the Crypto.com Visa card, which offers crypto rewards on everyday purchases. The more you are invested in a native coin, CRO, the more benefits you unlock. Asset selection: you'll find a massive selection of altcoins here, often listing new projects faster than Kraken or Coinbase. This makes it great for traders who are looking to explore a broader market. My takeaway: if you want your exchange to be part of a larger financial system that includes rewards and a crypto debit card, Crypto.com offers an ecosystem that's hard to beat. Just be mindful of their withdrawal fees, which can sometimes be high. The verdict: my personal choice. I still keep accounts on all 3, as they each serve a slightly different purpose. But if I had to choose just one as the most effective Gemini alternative for a serious US trader, I'd choose Kraken. Its unmatched security history combined with the professional-grade tools and low fees on Kraken Pro make it the most powerful platform for active, US-based crypto trading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.